When I was a younger kid, I went to a dentist who once threw me back in the chair because I was in pain, and he didn't think I was in pain. So I tried sitting out, and mind you, I'm 10 years old. I tried getting out of the chair, and he thrusted me back into the chair. I told him I wanted my mother. That didn't happen, and that was the last time I went to a dentist. Probably about 15 years ago, I needed to have all my teeth pulled because it was so bad. I did have the upper and lowers made. I have a natural suction on the top portion. The bottom portion with the horseshoe shape, they just do not stay in. You can try to glue them. There's nothing worked for me. I was very self-conscious about not wearing lower dentures. It was just, kind of embarrassing. It was, you're trying to smile, your facial expressions where your chin's a little bit too high. So I looked into implants.
So when Frank came to see me, like so many people who wear a lower denture every day, he was just so frustrated that he decided I'm not even gonna wear the denture. So Frank comes in and I say, listen, I can put implants in and then you won't have to deal with the denture flopping around everywhere. You'll actually wear it. And he was quite skeptical at first. He said, I don't know. He came in, got the procedure done. It went so smooth for him. And then once the procedure was over, Frank has been happy ever since.
Oh my goodness. That was incredible. I didn't think I could smile so big again, you know what I mean? It was really a great feeling. Well, I'm a lot more confident about smiling. I'm eating better, and I'm just a happier person, I think. Well, if it wasn't for Dr. Faust, I don't think I'd be as confident as I am in my appearance anymore. It's a pleasure to eat any type of food that I want, and the guy's just changed my life around. It's incredible.